Hello, and welcome to the MeasureSquare multifamily tutorials. This video will walk you through how to draw oddly shaped rooms and open concept areas for our multifamily unit. To do this, we will move on to the free draw mode, which will be used to trace out oddly shaped rooms for this unit. In this example, we will be drawing an open concept area that will include a kitchen, dining, and living space. Again, for this example, we will be using the keypad in place of a laser. A good thing to note here is even though we're using the keypad, the same methodology will apply for a laser when we touch down to select a point to start. Swipe for the direction instead of using our keypad to enter the measurement. That would be the point where we would use the laser to punch in the number and then swipe for the next wall section. To begin, tap on Tools and select Free Draw. Then tap on the keyboard at the bottom left and move to the top right of the screen. To begin a room, tap and drag your finger in a single fluid motion to see the crosshairs appear to pick the starting point. Now, drag your fingers to the right and draw out the room. You can either drag out the wall to be 12'9", or you can drag it to an arbitrary length and input the 12'9" on the keypad and hit Apply. The way you would do it with your digital laser in place of the keypad is just swipe for the direction and then capture the measurement by pressing the Measure button on our lasers. Now, let's drag to the next wall down and input 2'11" and continue drawing out the walls as the measurement is listed on the screen. Once you get to the last wall, simply tap Close at the bottom right to utilize the autocomplete function. Now, let's draw the main room with the angled wall. We will leave the angled wall to last to use the autocomplete option again to make it easy on ourselves. Anytime there is a single angled wall in a room, leave it till the end and hit Close. Start at the bottom right of the room where the 6'11" and the 10'6" corner is and go clockwise. Once you get to the angled wall, you will notice that we can't tap Close yet because we didn't start at the other side of the angled wall. Looking at the bottom toolbar, we can tap on the switch icon to switch our starting point to where we originally started and draw the 6'11" wall and then tap Close. In this way, we can easily draw open concept areas for our multifamily units. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos and tutorials for all MeasureSquare products.